Hey, my name's James Nicholson, and in this video, I'm going to tell you one of the smartest things that you could be doing in your business right now to get paid more money and to get more leads and quality leads at that into your business. Now, I've been in business for 17 years now. I've had all the ups and downs that you get as an entrepreneur and as a business owner. And along the way, I've discovered something very special, which I call the Business Accelerator methodology. Now, if you want to find out more about how that works, then grab a free copy of my new book, Expert Mastery. I'm going to put a link in the description below. And while you're here, and before we jump into the content, give me a like on this video. Come on, do it right now. Turn that button blue, because that helps me get this video out to more people on YouTube. So what should you be doing to grow your business and position you as an authority in your niche? Well, one of the best things that you can do, which people think's really difficult, but actually not so bad, is to become an author. I've got tons of people that have done that in my community. This is Patrina Ten, and this is her book. Now, she is a health and wellness coach and has solutions for that. So this is actually a book about her story, but just being published helps her get more speaking gigs and stuff like that. This is Chloe Bison, the founder of the Queens in Business, a really great story on her entrepreneurial journey, and this was a bestseller on Amazon too. One of my clients is a copywriter, or was a copywriter for Tony Robbins, if you've heard of Tony Robbins, right? He's got a book called The Engagement Formula, which is a really powerful one. Now, I've got someone that is a masseuse, Maria, and so she's got this book here, The Power of Positive Touch, a great book there. Again, a bestseller on Amazon. Now, I've got a teacher, a previous teacher, Dorothy and Murray, and they have products that support teachers to empower them and get out of that. They have a book on the Eye of the Storm. So the Eye of the Storm. All of these books so far have been bestsellers. Polly Tomlinson, a homeopathist, 101 homeopathy tips. Daya, the Square Peg Achiever. She worked in the corporate world, hated it, and has gone on to be a very successful coach. Liam Ryan, who a lot of you have probably seen around, he's got his book, Bricks and Mortar, on everything you need to invest in property. And one guy has also got a book, one of my students, Fabio's got a book on how to make pizza, so like a recipe book and stories and stuff like that. Very, very good book. Now, why should you consider getting a book yourself? Now, what happens is, when you get a book, you're not going to make money, right? So don't think this is an exercise to make money. The only few people that make money with books is someone like J.K. Rowling. What you're looking to do is position yourself as the go-to expert in your market, the authority on your topic. Now, most people want to write a book, but they never get around to it. And it's strange that a lot of people in our community, and there's tons more than I've just shown you there, a lot of people write books in our community because they're surrounded by entrepreneurs doing the same thing. Now, what it does is it makes people realize that you're an expert. Now, imagine if you were to give someone your book rather than a business card, or you gave them your book rather than a folder with flyers in. Now, we used to run a lot of events before the pandemic at the business show, right? And we would spend a fortune on flyers and marketing material and stuff like that. People would take it from our stand, I'd have a look at it, and I'd see them a few rows down just put it in the bin, because they were just grabbing these things from everyone, right? Now, some of those cost us £5 for one. A book costs a couple of pounds to print. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever thrown away a book in your life? Probably not, right? Most people don't throw away books. And so if you can get your prospect to take a copy of your book, it's gonna sit there for years and years and years. They're never ever gonna forget you. Now, they might read it, great. If they don't read it, you still own a little space in their house or in their office that constantly reminds them of who you are and what you do. So the book is there just to get you that expert status. Now, if they read the book, even better. And then they've spent some time with you. It might take 3, 4 hours, 5 hours, depends how thick your book is. If you're Murray's book, it's going to take you a bit longer than that to read. And that means that they've really understood your system, your methodology, the features and benefits of your product and service. And then when they're looking to buy that product or service, who are they going to go to? You. They're going to go to you, right? And so I would say that having a book and being a published author is one of the best things that you could do as a business owner. Now, when you've got the book, you want to get it as a bestseller on Amazon, and I actually go through that in Expert Mastery. So if you want to know how to launch a book, how to get yourself expert status and build a list of leads and sales in your business, this methodology, the Business Accelerator methodology, is laid out in Expert Mastery so you can understand exactly how you can do this too. But I just thought I'd share with you, honestly, the people that write a book, that put the effort in, that launch it, that get it as a bestseller, and then they keep promoting it. That's the key as well. They keep promoting it. They all go on to do really, really great stuff, and they're super, super successful. So my challenge to you is to figure out how you could get a book launched. Then grab this book and find out how to promote it. And even if you're not looking to launch a book, grab this book so you can find out exactly how to get leads and sales online. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Have you got a book in mind? Are you going to launch one? Tell me what you think in the comments below. Subscribe to this channel and hit the bell notification, and go and check out all the content we've got on this channel. We've got new content every day on growing, scaling and marketing a business. I'm James Nicholson. Stay blessed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.